Life is hard, but with so much technology nowadays, it doesn't have to be. Today we scoured the web to find some of our favorite tech gadgets that are worth the cost to improve your quality of life. Number 1 on our list is the Quirky X sunglass. The Quirky X sunglasses mounted rear view mirror allows you to see approaching traffic behind you when you're cycling. That way you always know if there's a fast car approaching, helping keep you safe. It could be completely life-saving while remaining lightweight to help you ride fast. Every time you cycle on the road, use it to give you a perspective of traffic behind you. The Trine anti-theft monitoring alarm will keep watch over your computer when you have to leave it unattended. Ideal for anyone who works a lot out of the office, the Trine syncs with a phone app so that all you need do is place it on what you want protected and take your phone with you when you leave your belongings. The compact attractive Trine device will then start monitoring for you. If it detects movement of the belongings, an alarm will sound and the light ring switches to red. The alarm will stop automatically when you and your phone return. For people who work in coffee shops or co-working spaces, Trine will prove an intuitive and indispensable partner for any professional.
Xeon 180 has a surveillance camera that detects people, cars, or any threatening objects behind you and alerts you so you can take immediate action and get yourself out of any dangerous situation.
The only thing worse than a Monday morning is having your periods start dragging yourself to work, while your cramps are at an all-time high. That's where a smart heating pad that you can actually wear comes in handy. You can wear the heating pad on your lower abdomen, or your back, depending upon where you're having pain. Vim warms your belly or back and relieves some of the cramping pain.
The tool that lets dogs know to always stay by your side. Pooch Pacer works through auditory cues. Whenever your dog tugs on the leash too hard, Pooch Pacer emits a beep that's just loud enough to let you and your dog know it's time to reset.
Introducing Squeaky Clean Feet, the world's first luxury aquatic foot care product. Clean, massage, exfoliate.
Skincare Shaver provides busy users with shaving and skincare all at once. The device applies toning lotion while shaving, thanks to its unique linear motor with a 30-degree acute angle blade, offering a refreshing smooth shave. The ion plate uses electro-osmotic flow technology to help the skin deeply absorb the active ingredients of the toning lotion for an optimal moisturizing effect. Native Union Clean Screen Spray helps keep your smartphone in tip-top condition at all times. This cleaner is convenient to use while its pocket-sized design. And overall, it's suitable for a variety of tech including smartphones, tablets, laptops, and more.